Okay, for writing today, we're going to continue to develop our sentences and our paragraphs. I'm not seeing too many people referring back to these fanboys, so try and include them. Remember, a coordinated conjunction transforms a simple sentence or two simple sentences to one compound sentence. So here is an example, a simple sentence which has one clause and one idea. Melbourne has approximately 200 cultural diverse people living in it. Here is another one. Around 233 different languages are spoken in Melbourne. Okay, now this should actually say and. Now the coordinating conjunction chosen is and this is how the sentence now reads. Melbourne has approximately 200 cultural diverse people living in it, and they speak around 233 different languages. I hope you heard me pause in this part because I want to emphasize that we're using our commas as well. Okay, so when you take a little breath, Melbourne has approximately 200 diverse people living in it, culturally diverse people living in it, sorry, and they speak around 233 different languages. Okay, here is the continuation of our story. While on his crucial journey to Australia, which SpongeBob now knows is an island, continent, and country, he randomly encountered two friendly fish named Nemo and Dory. He explained the severity of the pandemic and that he, as the most absorbent sponge, is a super cleaner. Dory asked SpongeBob about a fascinating place called Melbourne, for she had had many fish friends that lived there. Dory listened attentively, yet her forgetful brain mixed up all the information. Help Dory write an informative paragraph about Melbourne. The first thing you need to do is you need to ensure that you're understanding the purpose of linking verbs. Thank you to the majority of you that are doing this extremely well. So I want you to use this and this information here about, for example, the culture, about coastal cities, anything that you can see here that can help you, write it in your informative text. Please use these sentence starters. I want to see an informative paragraph, okay? Here are some proper nouns for you and some common nouns in order to assist with your writing and adjectives. So these are specific places in Melbourne. These are common nouns. So there are quite a few festivals. There's some boardwalks in Melbourne. It's known for its amazing restaurants. To get to know Melbourne a little bit more to assist with your writing, here's a little travel guide. When you're writing here, please write an informative paragraph. So, for example, you might start with Melbourne is, okay? And start with that. Melbourne is the capital city of, and then continue your sentence, okay? Then go back and find another sentence starter.